How to add or change the email or phone detail in Wallet in Apple Pay on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we scroll down. Now in here, tap on Wallet in Apple Pay. Next, we scroll down. And then in the transaction defaults, tap on the email field if you want to change the email, or if you want to change the phone number, you go into phone. And here, if you would like to make changes to an existing phone number, tap on edit, then tap on the phone number. And from here, you can put in the correct phone number. If you like to delete it, you can tap on the delete button. And here to add in a new number, you can tap on that. And then tap on done. Now it says invalid, so you probably need to put in the country code. And still invalid, so I'll go in here and I'll delete the number. And then tap on done. Next, you can also add in a number from the existing contact. So in here, we can select a contact detail. And then this one here says it's invalid. So if I go back, it still allows me to add it. It's just that it is invalid. Now we can do the same for an email address. So we can go in here and edit an email. So we change it and then tap on done, then tap on change email. You can also add in a new email address by tapping on enter new email address. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.